Hello everyone, I am here to discuss about how to install the Oracle virtual machine. Using that we are going to play our CentOS virtual machine to start with your Hadoop. But don't worry about how we have to install Hadoop within the CentOS operating system. That we are going to discuss in detail at the end of our training. Okay. As of now, since we have to start with our Hadoop, now I am going to discuss how to install the Oracle VirtualBox, and also, and I've already shared the image of CentOS 6.5 operating system with you through my G drive. Please, I hope by this time you would have downloaded that and put it on your desktop. Before you start this video, please extract that one into your desktop and follow these instructions. Okay, so first and foremost thing what we have to do, we have to download the Oracle VirtualBox from the internet. So we can download either VMware player or Oracle VirtualBox. Both are going to do the same purpose. Which they do is we can play multiple operating system from using your host. Okay, let's go ahead and download the Oracle virtual machine from the internet. Okay, just type Oracle virtual machine download. Okay, this is the sentence that you have to download, and click on first link. Okay, click on the first link. Okay, based on your configuration, we have to download respective virtual machine works flavor. Okay, for Windows we have to go with AMD 64, whatever it is, either Windows 8064 or AMD, and the second one is for OS X host, and for third one is for Linux, and fourth one is for Solaris. So these are the different flavors of operating system. So based on your configuration, you have to go with that one. Mostly I think we will be having only Windows. So I will go ahead and download this one for my Windows. Okay, I just clicked on downloads. Okay, it's getting downloading now. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait for that. And before that, I've already shared the next step that we have to do is we have to download the Apache Hadoop.7z zip file that I have shared through G drive. It has around 3 gigabyte in size. Please download that from my Google Drive that I've shared with you all, and just put it on your desktop and extract that file into your desktop, and be ready with your file. Okay, so after that we are going to continue from here. Okay, so meanwhile you can do that one also since it is downloading now. Okay, still it is downloading. 34 seconds more left. Okay, here again, don't worry how you got this image and all. I'm going to explain you in a detailed way. Meanwhile, just learn here how to install your VirtualBox and how to play that one using your VirtualBox. Okay, it's almost done. I think my internet speed is a little bit slow, but it's okay. We are almost completed. Okay, so after this, I don't have to download anything because I've already extracted my 7z file from my Google Drive, and I've extracted already on my desktop. Okay. This is the file, that VDI file that is inside this extraction. Okay, so once you extract that on your desktop, you are going to see this kind of file on your desktop. Okay, let's see whether we have completed. Yeah, we have completed this one. Just click on this Okay, you're going to open this virtual box, and we are going to install that one now. Okay, okay, and just clicking next, and select the defaulted one. Okay, this is the place that where we are going to put our software. Don't change anything, and everything remains the same. Okay, uh, remove the same. Okay, just install. Okay, it has started installing on my computer. Just it will might be asking some warnings. Please go ahead and click on that one. Okay. It's almost done. So once you open this one, since I already had this one on my system, it is coming again. But don't worry, I'm going to start one more instance. Okay. So what you have to do, once this got installed, you have to click on new connection. So once you click on the new, it will be asked to name your operating system. Okay. Just name it as a Hadoop, Hadoop 2.x 2.7. Okay, so this I'm naming just this one, and you can name whatever you want. Generally, you can go with 2.7.1. That is the Hadoop version that I have inside the CentOS. But you can name whatever you want. That does not mean anything for you. Okay, you can name it banana, or you can name it whatever you want. Okay, something meaningful for you. Okay, the type should be Linux, since we are going to have this one on the Linux operating system, and the version that we are going to have is Red Hat 64-bit. Okay, even though since it is having the CentOS, CentOS is the same as Red Hat. That is the reason we are going to select as a version as Red Hat. Just click on next. Once that is done, and here we have to select how much RAM you are allocating for your virtual machine. This is not related to HDFS or anything. This is something whenever you are playing your virtual machine using your host, how much you are giving for your host computer to do your local related things, how much you are giving as a RAM to your virtual machine, so that it can allocate or it can have that memory to play or to do your things whatever you wanted to on related to virtual machine. Okay, generally I'm going to give 2 MB. Okay, 2 MB. Okay, just I'm going to give as a 2 MB. Okay, click next. Okay, now here when at the time of installing the fresh CentOS, we are going to create the new hard drive, but as you know, I have already created the image for you. All I'm doing is I'm going to select from the existing one. Okay, use an existing virtual hard drive. Same thing you have to do that one, and click on this phone icon, and it will be opened it will give the pop-up saying that from where you have to select that. Since it is there on the desktop, just select on the desktop. Once you extract your VDI file on your desktop, you should be able to see this one. If you did not extract, you won't see this one, and when this window will let you to select only VDI files, not any more, not any other type of files. Okay, just I'm clicking on VDI file and just clicking on open. Okay, once that is done, just click on create. Okay, that's all. We have completed completed creating the virtual box. Now what we have to do, we have to play this virtual box using the start button. Okay, I hope you are clear so far. If you are not able to come up with this screen, please replay this one. You should be able to get this screen again. Okay, I'm clicking on the start button now. Once I click on the start button, what I'm doing here is I am going to use Oracle Virtual Box Manager to play my virtual machine. This is my virtual machine. As you know, virtual machine, I have given the image of my virtual machine. All we did is we have linked that image to my Oracle Virtual Machine. So I'm going to play using start button. Okay, click on start. Okay, so it is going to play your CentOS operating system. Okay, 6.5. Okay, so it will take some time. And one thing you have to remember, once you come into this virtual machine, to come, you have to click on a right control, not left control, right control button. You have to press the right control button, then your cursor will be coming out of your virtual machine. If you don't press the right control button, if you keep on moving your virtual, your cursor will not be coming out of that one. Okay, so now I'm able to open my virtual machine. Okay, so I'm going to see the desktop now. Okay, that's all. So here, instead of going with others, since I've already created the user as HT user, so I'm going to select the user as a HT user. Okay, HT user. Okay, so the password is again HT user. Okay, HT user. Don't worry how we have to create this user, and how we are going to cover in end of the training in the part of installation. So just I'm giving HT user as a password for my HT user. I'm hitting login button. Okay, so now I'm going to see my virtual machine desktop. That's all. That's all we have to do to open your virtual machine using your Oracle Virtual Box. Okay. So just to repeat, we have downloaded the Oracle Virtual Machine or Oracle Virtual Box from the internet. Based on your configuration, computer configuration, you have to download the particular flavor. And after that, as we have already shared my VDI file, which is my .7z Apache Hadoop .7z zip file through my Google Drive, you should able to download that and put it on your desktop and extract that file from the 7z into VDI file and put it on your desktop. The next thing what you have to do, you have to just go back to your open that Oracle Virtual Machine, Oracle Virtual Box, and click on new button. Once you do that, you should able to see one small pop-up saying that what is your name of the operating system that you are handling and what are the type and flavor. Okay, so that you have to select there based on the type. As we know, since we are going to have this one Linux, and also the operating system that already had 64-bit, so we have selected those options. Once that is done, it will be asked you to enter. Once you are done with your mapping, what you have to do, you have to play that one. Okay, you have to start that virtual machine by clicking the start on the start button. Once you do that, it will be asked you to enter the whether you wanted to go through HD user or others. So you have to click on the HD user. Once you click on the HD user, it will be asked to enter the password. The HD user is the password again for the HD user. So once that is done, you are going to see this kind of desktop. Okay, that's all for installing the Hadoop. Okay, installing the Oracle Virtual Machine along with your mapping your ISO or CentOS file to your Oracle Virtual Box. Okay. So once this is done, as you know how to start the daemons and all, opening the terminal and going into CD space, opening the dollar Hadoop underscore home slash sbin is the folder where you are going to see the script for starting your all daemons, and that's how we have to say. We have already seen that in our previous class, but as of now, this is the thing that is pending to start with our hands-on. So just follow this one. Please call me on 9642410002, or you can always email me Shiva shiva509203 @gmail.com. Okay, thank you all. Thanks for watching the video.